Tokyo time. 運賃が割引になるピタパ、イコカなどの
Right, whānau, we've made it to Tokyo Station from Osaka. We've got 4 full days and 1 half day, and then we're back home to New Zealand, Aotearoa. We've got a full list, 4 full days, fully packed. Alright, we made it to our train stop. Whew, hot as. We're meeting our host, who's going to be taking us to her house where we will be renting for the next 4.5 days. God, I hope there's air conditioning. After this, we're going to have a rest because it's pretty hot. And then, hey Tara!
So this is our house in Tokyo.
Oh, Tara!
So this is our little room here, which is right by the kitchen. And then you go here, and there's a toilet here.
Well, Tara, did you see this? This fridge opens this way and this way.
Show me. That's pretty cool. And then there's also a toilet here. And then there's automatic tap. And then this is the bathroom, which has a washing machine. And it has a shower here, and then a shower here, and then
Is this catching work done?
automatic. Put your mouth. And then this is the dining room. First time we've had a proper lounge. It comes with a TV and a foot massager. Then Widamo, little bunks. Nah, they're actually a wardrobe. And then you go down this hallway and you go up the stairs and up here. Not as steep as the last stairs though. There is a room here and a room here which has two single beds, and then I have no idea what that is. And then in here is another toilet, and that's our Airbnb. This is in the supermarket. I need a leverage. Here you go. Hey guys, we are in our Airbnb in Tokyo. I think we're having a rest day today because we have so much that we want to do in Tokyo. Tomorrow, the next day, and the next day. So we have 4 full days in Tokyo, and then we fly home on the 29th. We fly to Korea, stay for 5 hours there, and then we fly home, and we get home the 30th. We're going to do the Shibuya crossing, the Tokyo Zoo. I think we're going to try the fish market, a maid cafe. We're going to do the cute cafe food and shopping Harajuku. A light museum. We're going to do Akihabara, and I really want to buy a white Japanese strawberry, so I've got all my like wish list on here, and maybe the kawaii monster cafe if we get time. So yeah, I'm really excited because Tokyo has been my like absolute like yes for this trip. I'm really sad that we're here only for 4 days, but it is a lot more expensive to stay in Tokyo than other cities in Japan. That fridge is magical, Morimu.
Why?
It opens both sides.
Oh, it's one of those ones. Why don't you do the other side? Wait, you mean... Oh, what the...
It's amazing, eh? I froze. Oh my god. I just saw this. Look, this is called, I just saw this on Facebook, a random Facebook thing. It's called an iFro. I think we're just going out to dinner locally here, so yeah. I'll see you at dinner, guys. Look at this crane I made. Jokes, I didn't make it.
Gotta find out, it's our first night in Tokyo, and we've just come to this place here. Oh, that's not its name. What's its name there? Just outside of where we're staying. We're staying a little bit outside of Tokyo, more the suburbs. Yeah, Edogawa, close to Chigawa. Yeah, we didn't get here till about 3:30, so we're still tired, and we just thought we'd come out and try some food. We're having like the Japanese version of Korean barbecue. I think they call it yakitori, something like that. I don't know. But it looks pretty good. We just ordered. I used some of the phrases that I learned. Osusumu wa nan desu ka, which is what do you recommend? And they recommended this for a couple. So we're getting all of that meat, and if I'm still hungry, I might get some of those.
Are you watching people?
Yeah. I'll just do 4. So here we've got our food cooking. Ooh, yummy. And then you can like wrap it in lettuce and stuff.